In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert files into existing files in Microsoft Word on both PC and Mac. This is a very useful feature when you want to combine multiple documents into one master file without copying and pasting everything manually. Whether you're merging reports, compiling chapters, or adding reference material, Word makes the process simple and efficient. To begin, open Microsoft Word and load the main document where you want the additional file to appear. Make sure your cursor is placed exactly where you want the inserted content to go. This step is important because Word will place the new file's contents precisely at your cursor location. Next, go to the top menu and click on the Insert tab. This tab contains tools that allow you to add different types of content into your document. On a Windows PC, look toward the right-hand side of the ribbon for the Object option. Click on Object, and a small drop-down menu will appear. From there, select Text from File. On a Mac, the process is very similar. Click Insert from the top menu bar, then choose Object and select Text from File. After selecting Text from File, a file browser window will open. Navigate to the document you want to insert. Click on the file to select it, then choose Insert. Word will immediately pull the entire contents of that file into your current document at the cursor's position. If the inserted document has its own formatting, such as different fonts, spacing, or margins, you may notice slight formatting changes. You can adjust this by using the formatting tools under the Home tab to ensure everything looks consistent. It's often helpful to review spacing, headings, and page breaks after inserting a file to maintain a clean layout. If you need to insert multiple documents, you can repeat the same process. Simply place your cursor at the next desired location and follow the same steps again. One helpful tip is to save your document before inserting large files. This gives you a backup in case you need to undo changes or revert to the original version. And that's how you insert files into an existing Microsoft Word document on both PC and Mac. It's a quick and reliable way to merge content without losing structure or quality. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.